Welcome to my detailed review of Virtuwell, a top-rated telehealth platform designed for quick, easy, and affordable medical care. In today's video, we'll dive into what makes Virtuwell unique, explore its features, and give you an in-depth look at how it works from start to finish. When you first visit Virtuwell's website, you'll notice its clean and intuitive design. Right on the homepage, it highlights its promise of fast, affordable care for common health conditions, all without needing an appointment. To get started, you simply click Start a Visit. This takes you to a guided questionnaire, where Virtuwell gathers important information about your symptoms, medical history, and current condition. The process is quick, and the questions are easy to follow. Even for those unfamiliar with telehealth services, one of Virtuwell's standout features is that it provides a diagnosis and personalized treatment plan, all reviewed by a licensed nurse practitioner. You don't have to wait long, as they guarantee a response within 30 minutes. Once your treatment plan is ready, you'll receive recommendations, including prescriptions if needed, which can be sent directly to your preferred pharmacy. Another big plus for Virtuwell is its transparent pricing. Each visit is a flat $59, and there are no hidden fees or surprise charges. It's also compatible with most insurance plans, which could further reduce your out-of-pocket cost. For uninsured patients, this flat rate is a significant advantage compared to traditional clinic visits or emergency room bills. Virtuwell is especially useful for treating minor conditions like sinus infections, rashes, urinary tract infections, and even cold sores. The platform is optimized for people seeking fast solutions to non-emergency health issues without sacrificing quality of care. If you're worried about privacy or security, Virtuwell takes data protection seriously. All your information is securely stored, and consultations are confidential. The mobile-friendly nature of Virtuwell means you can access it anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. This convenience factor, combined with its affordability and efficiency, makes it a game-changer in the telehealth industry. In conclusion, Virtuwell stands out as a reliable, user-friendly telehealth solution that delivers on its promises of fast, affordable, and high-quality care. Whether you're new to telemedicine or looking for an alternative to your current provider, Virtuwell is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of telehealth platforms and other online services. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.